Hello, I'm Rashid and welcome to RSoft. This is part 1 of a web designing course, and today's our topic is web designing versus web development. So let's start with web designing. What is web designing or website designing? It is art of designing websites. Means website designing is the process of making websites. Means we use different tools and technologies to make the website, or we can say art of making websites, or we can say art of making resources available on internet. In a sense, web design refers to both the aesthetic portion of the website and its usability. Web designers use various design programs such as Photoshop to create the layout of website. In addition, web designers work on client-side technologies such as HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is used for presentation purpose. CSS, which stands for Cascading Style Sheets, which is used for styling purpose. JavaScript, which is, which is used for validation, animation, and user interaction in web pages. jQuery, actually jQuery is a library of JavaScript. Bootstrap, Bootstrap is HTML, CSS, JavaScript framework, which is used for making responsive websites. Web designing is the art in which we use different tools. There are various tools used by the website designers such as Google Web Designer, InPage, CorelDRAW, Illustrator, and so on. There are various tools of web designing which are used by the website designer. Website designer actually make the UI, means user interface, means all the visual part of the website and its layout is designed by the website designer. And after website designing, the process starts, which is called web development. Web development is basically a coding process. It is a coding process to make website functioning. Web developers heavily work on server-side technologies. There are various server-side technologies used in web development such as PHP, ASP.NET Web Forms, ASP.NET MVC, SQL Server, MySQL, Ajax, Node.js, Python, Perl, etc. You can find more resources on www.rsoft.pk.